Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Play and confirming you're signed into the correct account. This matters because purchases lock to that account. Next, add a payment method if needed, card, PayPal, or carrier billing, and verify billing details. Once done, open the Roblox app and navigate to the Robux purchase page so you're ready to select an amount. Make sure your device has network access and that Google Play shows your payment method as valid before proceeding to buy. You pick the Robux bundle inside Roblox, observing the exact dollar cost displayed. This avoids surprises. When you tap Buy, Google Play overlays a confirmation page. Check the account, payment method, and tax or regional fees. Then authorize the transaction using your fingerprint, PIN, or Google password. This step finalizes payment. Once confirmed, Google Play processes the charge and returns you to Roblox where the purchase is completed. If it stalls, wait a moment for server updates before retrying. You should immediately check your Roblox balance to confirm Robux arrived. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to sync. Next, open Google Play order history or your email receipt to verify the transaction ID and amount in case you need proof. If Robux did not appear, clear the Roblox app cache and restart, then check again. If issues persist, review the order status in Google Play and contact Google or Roblox support with the receipt. That single receipt copy will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.